Hi, my name is Jeff Kloska. I'm the product manager here for the Sprinter line at Keystone RV. Today we're going to take a sneak peek of the model year 2027 Sprinter fifth wheel. Sprinter fifth wheels are a high-profile, wide-body fifth wheel filled with tons of upgrades for 2027 model year. Let's take a look starting here with the high-gloss fiberglass sidewalls, a very high sheen coupled with a new graphics package that features both gray and a soft tan that just lends very well with the upgraded sidewalls. We're also introducing a new seal system for our baggage doors. This seal system is a polymer seal. It has no seam, and so it seals tightly in both the cold and warm weather. All Sprinter fifth wheels are going to feature a huge pass-through storage. That's part of the appeal of having a wide body platform. Additionally, we have 30-inch entry doors, so a little bit larger entry doors with an integrated screen. New for this year is going to be the black Suburban entry steps, and these black Suburban entry steps are so great. They've got a much larger initial step, but they're also integrated weep holes in a gridded system so that when you close your step, you actually get a lot of the dirt, debris, and water that don't go into your coach. New for 2027, we've decided to upgrade your tires to all G-rated tires. So they're 16-inch, 8-lug G-rated tires, primarily for your safety. So one of the main features of the 3950 SSP is obviously the outside patio. Okay, so 8-foot patio. You've got railings here on the side. Just a great space to be underneath your awning. You also have this tinted glass and shade. Okay, so that shade will go all the way across the unit. From the inside, you can have these closed and you won't get a whole lot of sun in there. You can pull your curtains, but a nice tinted glass here as well. Just a wonderful spot to sit outside, hang out with your friends while they're grilling, hang out with your friends while you're hanging out at the campsite. But the Sprinter side patio, dynamite floor plan, and just a wonderful feature to add to this unit. Additionally to this model, a lot of times you don't find this in a side patio is you're gonna have this outside kitchen. Okay, so your outside kitchen is gonna feature a small refrigerator for your beverages, as well as a pull-out griddle, and a nice shelf just to have some additional storage for your cooking utensils, your ketchup, your mustard, whatever you need, or just a place to set your drink. And lastly, with the Sprinter lineup, we do offer solar. So all Sprinters are gonna come standard with a solar ready package. We do build a lot with Solar Protect, so that's 220 watt solar panel on your roof. It's fully expandable. We do offer a 440 package, which is our Solar Discover, and additional ports up there if you wanna continue to expand from there based on your needs. Let's go on inside and take a look at a lot of the 2027 feature upgrades that we've added for this model year. For 2027, one of the things that we wanted to do at Sprinter is really bring a lot of what you're used to at home into your RV. So with some of the upgrades we decided to land on are an upgraded solid wood cabinet door, shaker style, so you get it both on your cabinet doors and on your drawers. We brought the solid surface countertops into your kitchen. So you've got a nice clean white solid surface countertop with a matching white subway tile backsplash, both here and behind your range. So it really gives it a nice residential feel. In your kitchen, we've added a countertop extension on most of your floor plans, solid surface as well. So it just really extends that cooking area, prep area, drying your dishes, whatever you need to use it for, folds away really nicely so it doesn't get in your way of walking. But a huge thing we did this year was we decided to go to an appliance suite. Okay, so we landed on the Contour appliances. We have a 16 cube residential stainless reefer, fingerprint proof. Went to a residential style range, stainless steel, and then your 30-inch over the range microwave. So just a ton of solid surface countertop here in your U-shaped kitchen, very work friendly. You've got a single basin, 9-inch deep sink. You've got a pull down faucet so you can wash your food, wash your hands. And then if you happen to get anything down your drain, this year for 2027, we decided to start using a gray tank flush. So if you do get food down into your gray tank, you can flush that all away. We're the only ones out there right now that are doing that in a fifth wheel. Another one of the upgrades we decided to implement was an upgraded pendant light. Okay, we remained with our wood soffit. Wood soffit kind of sets it off. So new for 2027, we decided to change up our dining area a little bit. We used to do 4 chairs with your floating dining table so you don't hit your knees. This year we decided to do something a little bit more versatile where you went to an ottoman bench seating on one side. You can remove the back cushion and then you have storage in your ottoman. You can also pull that over to your sofa, use it as a little workstation, use it as a little dining table in your living area as well. Here in the living room of the 3950 SSP Sprinter, we're going to feature a 65-inch TV. Okay, that's one way we're bringing some of your comforts from home into your living area. Your entertainment's going to feature here a Bluetooth stereo. Okay, that's got A/B speakers. It can play through your TV in your ceilings inside or on the outside. You can also play music on the outside and watch your TV on the inside. So very versatile stereo. We also have a 36-inch fireplace. It's 5,000 BTU. It's great to have on if you just want the ambiance, or if it is getting a little bit chilly and you want to take that chill out, you flip that on and it'll do just that without running your furnace. So in this unit, we also have a big L-shaped sofa. This sofa is actually going to offer you some reclining seating areas, and then this will fold out into a height-of-bed sofa. So you can sleep a ton of people here. You can sit and watch movies together. Just a great area to be. And if it does get a little bit warm, you've got your nice ceiling fan here right above. And that's going to be something that we have in every floor plan, regardless of what you're looking at buying. One awesome thing that we did in every Sprinter, no matter the size, is we are running 3 air conditioners as a standard. Okay, not an option, no questions asked. We're just going to give you 3 ACs. They're fully ducted. They've got separate thermostats so you can control your bedroom, your living space. If you happen to have a loft or a bunk room, it's going to keep you cool no matter where you're at. That coupled with your ceiling fan that's also in every floor plan, I think you're going to find that being a wide body, being a high profile, being a big unit, you're going to stay just as cool as you want to. Getting to the back of the unit, we're featuring a big loft. Okay, this is 800-pound capacity. We've got an extendable ladder here that you can either use on the inside or the outside if you want. So very versatile there. It's a queen bed mattress up front. It's got dimmable light switches. You've got USB 110 outlets there. Just a great place for either storage or your kids to go out, hang out, plug in their iPads, plug in their game stations. Just a wonderful space to get up and out of the way of the living space. So if you know Sprinter, you know that we have a tendency to have some unique features. One thing we wanted to do in this space here is offer you a lot of amenities in just a very small area. So coming back into this, let's call it bonus room, you're gonna have a coat rack here. You've got a tri-fold sofa, so that'll make out into a full bed. And then over here, we've got a 50-inch TV, comes with the unit. You also have a pull-out workstation for your laptop. You can set up your printers here. You can set up your whole workspace and then stow that right away. Underneath, you have an outside kitchen. So a lot of people who do a similar type floor plan, they don't offer you a desk, an outside kitchen, a big TV, and a sleeping space, not to mention some of the wardrobe storage that we have here as well. So Sprinter being a wide body, that offers you that 100 inches wide, an extra 4 inches on the inside of your unit. We take that opportunity to integrate that into our bathrooms. So one thing that we do is 30 by 48 showers. So you've got a big, large shower. New for 2027 is going to be this marbled shower surround. Okay, and also something to note is many people just give you a small skylight. We're doing a 30 by 22 skylight for those taller people, for both light and for headroom. It gives you a ton of space in here, easy to get in and out. In your vanity area, we're gonna feature this lighted mirror, okay? Nice little Keystone logo. You've got towel holders, you've got your outlets. You're also gonna have toilet paper holders down here. So no questions asked, we're trying to make camping easy as possible. Okay, new for 2027 in the Sprinter bedroom is gonna be this nice padded headboard Okay, all Sprinter fifth wheels are going to feature a king bed. So big padded headboard, great sleeping space. This year, we've added 2 drawers here and a clothes hamper in the middle. This drawer is a deep drawer, okay, just like that one. This drawer is going to be deep going back, so you can fit your sweatshirts, you can fit your jeans, you know, everything that you need for your cold nights. It's not just a little drawer for socks and underwear anymore. So didn't forget about your hanging needs. So we still have a closet rod. You've got a space for some baskets, some shoe storage in there, got an outlet. You're gonna have outlets and USBs on both sides of your bed. So very functional bedroom, okay? Again, something that you're gonna find more in a residential guest bedroom. And then we continue to offer your stackable washer dryer prep. Okay, you've got your hot cold hookup here. You've got a removable shelf, but just great storage in addition to what we've offered you here this year in 2027. And lastly, in here, we've got our dresser. We've got now for some of your smaller items, you've got 3 drawers underneath, one here, nice counter space stop, and a place for your mounted TV hookup in the ceiling, and dimmable ceiling nights when you want to just kind of dim the lights and read a book. So all Sprinters also come standard with a 4-point auto leveling system. On the off-door side, there's a compartment. With a push of a button, you can stand back and the unit will level itself and you can enjoy setup a little bit more. Additionally, on the off-door side, you're gonna have a convenience center. That convenience center is gonna allow you to hook up to your water. It's got a hot cold shower, a black and gray tank flush, a food away flush, as we mentioned on the inside, as well as your key TV. So very easy to set up, very easy to hook up, 50 amp service, detachable cord. So with your 50 amp detachable cord, we offer the Watchdog power management system. Okay, so that is gonna help you monitor open grounds, open neutrals at the campground. It's got a lighted grid on the side where it'll read green if it's fully connected. And if there's an issue in the management system, it'll turn red or yellow. So just a nice safety thing to have added to your unit. And lastly, this year we went away from a 42,000 BTU water heater. We actually upgraded you a 65,000 BTU water heater. So another benefit of the Sprinter goes along with all the other upgrades for 2027. Thanks for watching today. If you'd like more information, including videos and 360s, please visit our website at www.keystonerv.com.
Keystone, proven in the wild.